Hi everyone. So this is a really quick update video on a situation that we heard about yesterday, and it was because Erwin Hymer North America, who manufactures the Roadtrek camper vans and also the Hymer camper vans, went into receivership. So we just wanted to give you an update on what we found out and how we're kind of feeling about the situation.
Erwin Hymer International, the European component, was being purchased by Thor Industries out of North America. The deal moved forward, but during the process, the media at least commented that as part of the process they noted a couple of financial irregularities with Erwin Hymer North America. So it was excluded from the deal with the European Hymer Group. And so as we understand it in the media, because of the irregularities, there was an audit done, and at the end of this audit, they decided to put the company into receivership. They have 6 weeks where they're going to attempt to sell the company. If they don't sell in that 6-week period, I don't know what happens. It's not clear. But certainly it created a concern amongst a number of people, a concern in part for the employees, because there's not up to, I think, about 900 employees who were told on Friday that they would no longer have a place to work. So our hearts go out to the people and their issues. And the other thing is primarily for all the Roadtrek and Erwin Hymer Actif owners and some of their audit products, obviously a big concern, because many of us, one of the big selling features was the 6-year warranty that came with the Erwin Hymer product. But it's certainly a challenge, and a real challenge for the employees.
We just came back from attending the Abbotsford RV show, the Earlybird RV show, and we did talk to our dealer and some of the RV manufacturers reps that were there, and they told us some useful information that gave us a little level of comfort, which Gordon can talk about.
What was important was we reached out to our dealer right away yesterday actually, and they had just heard themselves. And all the dealers are concerned because they have some product on their lots, and they also have some warranty work that they probably haven't been paid for, so they're concerned as well. And coming away from the RV show, actually, I think we have a lot more comfort than we did yesterday about what was going to happen with regard to our van. When we talked to our dealer, first thing they said is it's their intent to look after their customers. And what they're proposing to do, at least with customers who have bought their Roadtrek, in this case, from them, is they're going to offer them an extended warranty, a very similar extended warranty at cost, so no dealer markup. So whatever the dealer pays for an extended warranty, that will be available to us. Now we haven't yet seen what the pricing is going to look like, and it is going to cost us some money. I suspect that there will probably be a deductible. So will it be as seamless as the Roadtrek warranty? No, but it sounds like they'll be able to provide an extended warranty if you want it at a reasonable cost, and that certainly gives us a little bit more comfort. The dealer reminded me that the Roadtrek, all their models are basically, they take all parts from other manufacturers and then build them into a van. There's nothing that he felt that they would not have access to if it needed to be fixed, with one exception. He was concerned about the cabinetry, but specifically he said the lithium batteries, the underhood generator, the technology that's in the Roadtrek, stove, fridge, all of that they have access to. So if there are repairs needed, they can do those repairs, and that was very good to hear. What was interesting for me was we talked to representatives from 2 other major RV manufacturers who were there selling Class Bs, and they said something very similar, that your Roadtrek Zion, it's on a Dodge ProMaster chassis, that's not going to change. While they recognized it was a concern for owners, they didn't actually see it probably as much of a concern as we as owners did. Their concept is you'll still have a viable van that will last many years and will still be marketable, and those products are still sold and they're still able to be fixed. So that was very reassuring to hear from both the other 2 competitors, effectively, and also our dealer. For people that are Roadtrek owners, certainly we were on the Facebook website last night for our Zion and Simplicity owners, and a lot of people concerned about the employees and upset about their investment. And if you do have a vehicle, a Roadtrek, whether it's a Zion or others, I would contact your dealer and see what they're planning to do. And all we're going to do is kind of wait out the next 6 weeks, but we're giving serious consideration to purchasing that warranty. We're just waiting to see what the cost is actually going to be, and at least I think for us, the fact that there is a warranty available, that it will be at the best pricing we can probably see, and also just simply the knowledge from both our dealer and other manufacturers other than the cabinetry. Everything can probably be replaced by someone else. That actually, I think, was very important to us, because we were worried a little bit of it might be a bit proprietary. But I think at this point, probably the best thing is acknowledging that for folks that, yeah, it's a bit of a shock. It was it's a company that's been around close to 40 years. In my view, it's made a really good product, and we've been very pleased with the Zion. Perfect? Absolutely not. I was talking to one of the other top-tier RV manufacturers of Class Bs, and he just made a comment, there will be problems. You will always have some problem with any kind of RV, for that matter. It's not going to be perfect. And we knew that, or at least I don't know if we knew that, but we certainly have learned that over the last year. But we know people are concerned. It's a big investment, and for some people it's actually a key part of, in many cases, their lives. So there is going to be a period of time, at least probably the next 6 weeks, where no one knows exactly what's going to happen. But I do think that the information that we've had from the dealer, there is going to be support. They're going to be able to fix things. It sounds like there's an aftermarket warranty, so it doesn't sound quite as ominous as at least I think both Mickey and I felt yesterday. My view is we just have to wait and see what comes out of the receiver as part of the process.
Yeah. So we hope you found this helpful, and we will have some footage from the RV show coming up probably either later this week or the beginning of next week. So stay tuned for that. We had a lot of fun there. We did actually meet some YouTube celebrities there, so that was very exciting for us.
Yeah, and even actually more exciting was the fact that we had at least a half a dozen of our subscribers, people that watch our channel, come up and recognize us, which just amazed me. People walking up and saying, it's you, Gordon and Mickey. And we met some great people, and they were really fun, and we'll talk a little bit about more of that when we produce the video. But that was just, it was just so wonderful to meet these folks, and
Yeah.
they shared stories, and they shared their own stories of what they do in terms of their RVing. And it was interesting because there was a few people with Roadtreks, but other people that have different types of vans, and it was just exciting to hear their stories and to spend time with them. I love that part.
Yeah, it was very humbling as well, and a real honor for us to meet everybody there. So.
All right, well, thank you very much. Look forward to sharing some of our future videos with you. And if you haven't, as Mickey would normally say, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that button.